Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your platform actually supports split screen and that both controllers are connected. Update Fortnite and reboot your system so you're on the same version. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, power on the second controller, sign in with a secondary account or guest, and have that player press the prompt to join the lobby. Doing these initial steps now avoids wasted time and gets you ready for the in-game joining sequence. Next, you create a duo or squad lobby and keep the lobby open on the main screen. Split screen only activates from here. Have the second player press X or A on their controller to join, watch for their name to appear in the lobby. Make sure both accounts are on the same platform and party type supports split screen. Then adjust display settings like resolution and HUD scale so each split portion remains readable. Change controller mapping if input conflicts occur. These steps stabilize the split experience before matchmaking. Finally, you confirm both players as ready and start the match. The split screens should appear automatically when the lobby transitions into gameplay. If one view is black, frozen, or missing, first have the second player sign out and rejoin the lobby. This often forces the split to initialize. If problems persist, clear the console cache or restart the system. On PC, update GPU drivers and verify game files or reinstall. A reliable troubleshooting tip. Fully power cycle the console and reconnect controllers before repeating the join sequence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.